think I might see it. I got my car! Yeah! Like that. Yeah, dude. You ready?
Best friends that anybody could have. We're the three best friends that anyone could have. We're the three best friends that anyone could have. And we'll never, ever, ever, ever.
Okay, I'll drop. Sick. Whoa. Follow Cam this. Yeah, I can go. See, sometimes you gotta take a break and rehydrate. Wah, wah. I made my leg tired. Yeah. Yeah.
Legs back. Kiteboard legs and snowboard legs are pretty similar.
Are they? I was gonna, yeah. That's a good question.
Same with the movement, like that. Those 180s that I'm like dialed in. It's
Are you doing?
same thing.
Are you doing front side to front side?
I was doing toe side, front side. Yeah. I unlocked those last year.
That's sick, dude. They look footy. I'm pretty sure those are on film.
Thanks.
Like, so you like this? Pop. I want to be in everybody's way. I don't care. I'm learning. Get out of class.
Yeah, toe side, especially on off a little mogul.
Yeah.
Because you can launch off your toes so good. You can like
Right.
use your ankle muscles and then just load up and then jump and
Then just land on the heels.
land toes if you can.
Oh, that's why
And
it
then
looks so good,
And
actually.
then do toe to toe the other way. And I've found that starting switch and going regular is easier to start.
Okay. I do like doing switch.
Oh, since you're goofy, so you do regular to goofy.
I'd be the same as you. So you find starting switch is better.
Yeah, starting switch and hitting a nice little mellow mogul, and then launching off your toes and landing toes.
So I've not worked toe side switch a whole lot, but I should.
Switch is what you really need to work on the most before you start stopping steezy 180s.
Yo, I'm gonna take that as just cool advice and not as offensive. I love it.
I'm not gonna take that.
That's cool advice, dude.
At all.
Yo, that is cool ass advice. You're right.
Training is
And I've spent a little time with it, but not enough. Like there's always more. Let's switch. Whoa. There we go.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a hut. Nice.
Oh yeah, he picks smart lines. I see how he works. So good, surfy.
Oh my god.
with the latest bands. Whole kitty gang just doing a thing. Boom, boom, what the dogs can't hang. All of my friends, they were lady as hell. Run it, let's go face with the latest bands. Whole kitty gang just doing a thing. Boom, boom, what the dogs can't hang.
This segment is called High Fives Are Free. High fives are free. High fives are free. Thank you. Let's get it. There we go. Yo, high fives are free. High fives are free. That was good.
I think I got a better line on that line.
Yeah, I did too, man. That was nice. It's not every day you can just meet up with a stranger and then shred, stay together, throw him the camera, he throws you the camera.
Yeah, dude. Sure, we should explore that.
That's like, it's not every day.
Let's make it for some.
I like it.
So good.
Yeah, I had a bit.
There he is. Can't stop, won't stop. Yeah, dude, just skip your flight. All right, just skip it. It's too good.
Oh my god.
Those mountains.
They're just gorgeous.
How his fries are? I don't know.
Yeah, he's big chilling, bro.
Look at the little Grammies. Love it.
You guys gonna go next?
Thanks, dude. How are those fries?
Really good.
Do you mind being in the video? No?
Sure.
What's your handle?
What? I don't know.
He doesn't have one. He's not getting tagged, guys. That's part of the game. I'm sorry. You gotta spit it out quick. I'm moving.
Yeah, dude. Literally moving.
I got stuff to do today.
Someday you'll go through the footage and be like, oh, here, and then you'll go follow.
Yeah.
Like, hey, remember that day?
Yeah. I think he was caught off guard.
Yeah.
He was, yeah.
Little rainbow.
That reel looks kind of fun.
This one right here?
I'd like to hit the rainbow. Rolling for the GoPro toss. This is kind of fun, right?
Try to get into it.
All right, dude. About to part ways with new homies.
Sick Mitches, Doug
Yeah. It's been sick.
We just had some great runs, so sick.
For sure. It's not often you come out here and just like shred with people, man.
Yeah, right?
Everybody keeps up. It's good. Good times.
All it takes one lift ride.
Yeah.
Stick
Yeah.
together.
They look right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, dude. This is my leaving advice. Don't call last run unless you're at the bottom. That's my leaving advice.
2 more, skip the last.
Yeah, there you go. All right, hold me accountable. You have my phone number?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Catch on
I got all your footy. All right, who's just left? Sunspot, the new friends, the new homies. They're super fun to shred with. We have Collin, we have Doug. It's a great time. Now we're gonna dip back to the car, go do some climbing. It's gonna be a cool day. Whew. Don't lose your board. It's coming out of the glove cam. Other highlights of the day, I landed my first kind of back roll 180. It's like my start warm up to the rodeo. I landed that, kind of spun it out, stayed on the board. Wasn't the prettiest, but it was cool. It was nice to like get it done. It's always a little bit intimidating, the first flip of the season. I don't know, something about going upside down. I don't know why it does it. Got that one out of the way. Got the second one on film. Picture it right here, maybe, if I want to put it in. Boom. There's that. Not the prettiest. Kind of landed switch, quick washout revert. Whatever. Stayed on my feet, didn't eat it. That's cool. Another day in the books. Back to the book. It's that final run. Never call it the last lap. Not the last lap. I'm just going to the car. But this is gonna be it. It's been an amazing day. It's time to go back, hang out with G, rock climb. Time to rock climb. Important tricks of the trade right here. Another day done in the books. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time on Stew View.